This is the automated car wash. I just rebooted it. It is running VNC apparently. It's a Windows box. It's got MySQL Express, it looks like. Or is that no, Microsoft SQL Express. I guess we're supposed to start one of these things. Let's see what happens. What is this? Let's see what happens. I just double clicked on Wash Connect. Alright, that didn't do anything. Alright, let me try this one. Touch. Double clicked on touch. I think. Hey, got something. Accept all of these. Accept credit. Yeah. Oh yeah, we'll take them all. Sounds like it's printing something. Starting bill dispenser. Go over here. Unable to register with card pass. So the card pass application's bombing. Oh. Looks like we just hit the network. Somebody might be in here. Here we go. I think somebody's in here. This card pass doesn't seem to be doing anything still. No. Settings, network connections. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Those are printers. Settings, network connections. Let's take a look and see what we got. How do I get the properties? I don't know how to right click. File properties. Oh, great. Trying to figure out how to get to the IP address. Start on CMD. Oh, great. I don't have a keyboard. Start, run. Oh, I don't know. Properties. So this card pass thing is not logged in. Forget password. Override code. Let's try something here. Crap, I don't have a keyboard. .190.63.89. 98.190.63.1 is the gateway. Got the DHCP server. Very interesting. Well, I guess I'm not getting a car wash today, but this is very neat. Whoops. Uh-oh. Can't get rid of that. Won't send. How do I get rid of this? Crap. I don't know how to get rid of this shit. Fuel pump connection status. Oh, the fuel pump's good. I just want my damn car wash. Here. This is the problem here. It won't log into this cage pass thing. Invalid login. I wonder how I can get a keyboard. I don't know. Anyway, I'll go ahead and reboot it for him. Alright, we'll restart it for him. Call it quits. Yeah. Alright, we'll call it quits.